Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this magnetic water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's sticky base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Lust in Translation, along with Pretty Privilege and Flirt Alert, which I'll also be using as my base color. Once my base color is applied, I'm going to go ahead and protect around my nails using tape as well as liquid latex. As usual, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is done, if necessary, stretch it out to the sides of the cup so that it's fully anchored. That can also help that center drop to stretch out just a bit. This bullseye is a little bit off center, but that's okay because I'm going to be drawing an asymmetrical flower today. Once I have that in the cup, I'm going to be aiming the center of the flower somewhat toward the tips of my nails, and then removing the protection. Once I've marbled all my nails, I'm going to move on to cleanup using a Q-tip for any large areas as well as underneath my nails, and then using my normal small brush closer around the cuticle. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to be using Jen and Barry's pole position to re-wet the magnetic, and then I'm going to be using my Holo Taco Super Magnet. I've got my little sponge cushion in there, and I'm going to be magnetizing the entire marble. Once I've magnetized with the re-wetter, I'm also going to add a top coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Glossy Taco, and I'm actually going to do a little experiment where I magnetize my left hand again and do not magnetize again on my right. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. The re-wetter allowed me to get a really strong magnetic effect, even though the water marble was basically dry when I applied it. And it also acts as a little bit of a barrier. I'm pleased to report that my right hand, which I did not magnet after top coat, also still has a really strong effect. I don't think if you weren't told which hand was magnetized and which hand wasn't, that you would be able to tell in this case. I do also want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate just how shiny this is, and there's also some holo. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.